This is a quick video on how to replace the variable pulley bearings or the pulley itself. But the first thing you do, obviously, is to remove the deck. So I took the deck off, and there are a lot of videos on how to do that. And then you got to take that off, and I just used my little, torque wrench right there. And then you come back over here, you move the spring, that little spring that you see over there, that's over there on that side. And then there's this, the big spring that hooks up all the way to the back that pulls on this. And this is a little bit hard to remove here. Actually, you can replace the bearings because the bearings are in here. So you take this off and take this off. But unfortunately, to replace this, the only way to do it is to take this little bolt off. You have to take it off, otherwise you can't lift it that way. But you should be able to take the belts off. But anyway, the tough thing is that these pulleys, where is it? Here's the one that I'm going to put on from the other machine. See, you see that? There's nothing to hold on to anywhere. Okay, and you do have to take that nut out. This, see it right there? It goes in there. You have to take this off. And if you can't hold on to this with any wrench or anything, that is tough to do. So about the only way that I found out is just put a, see that? Just put it right there. Of course, on the other way, when you put it back on, it's going to lock on this side. But to take it off, you put it there and you take this off. And see? And then you can lift it up. But you have to take this bolt off in order to do that. To replace the bearings, just take this, these three here. Right here, there's 1, 2, 3. And they're pretty small, probably 8 or 7 millimeter. But take these off. This comes right off. Well, I took it off of the other one. I can show it to you, but it's pretty simple. And I'm just going to pull this off right now. And but I am going to replace this. So this is the only way to, as far as I know, as far as I can tell, in a real quick way, just pinch it right there and take this bolt off, because you're going to have to do that to take this off. And I've seen some videos out there, but no video on how to take this off. I mean, it's not, maybe if you use that, it might be easy, but this thing is going to spin like crazy. You still have to hold it, So anyway, I'm going to replace these bearings, and thought that somebody might want to, use this, or maybe you already do. But anyway, this is how I did it. I'm just going to put the bearings in there and put it back together. Now, it's going to be tough to remove that because it's inside a bearing. So I just put that nut back in there, and I'm going to push it out. You'll have to do the same thing putting the bearings in, I think. Just possibly just put a little bit of lithium grease or something to put the bearings in first. Make it a little bit easier, and just push them in there with a mallet. And that'll get you back going again. And then again, just do everything in reverse and put it back together.